Welcome to ChemSquare. Job notification. Company name MDK Sustec. The company is in Hosur. The location is Hosur, Tamil Nadu state. The position chemical engineer. The field is that lithium ion battery recycling. Job overview. Work on lithium ion battery recycling. Focus on sustainable material recovery and innovative chemical technologies. Eligibility: BTech or MTech in chemical engineering or industrial engineering. Experience and location: experience 0 to 2 years, freshers can apply. Location Hosur, Tamil Nadu. Then how to apply: send your resume to hr@mdksustec.com. Last date 5th May 2026. Thank you.